What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's my first video of 2022. We're going to go ahead and get right into it. This is a temp fade with the beard full. We're going to start with the original Walls Cordless detailers for our first guideline here. We also gonna do that same guideline on the top of the beard. Then we go here with our Andis Cordless Masters, all the way closed. And we got them halfway. Now we got them all the way open. Go ahead and finish knocking out that second guideline. Now we gonna go with our 0 all the way closed to go ahead and knock out that one. As you can see, that face starting to get blurry already. We just gonna follow those same steps, closed, halfway open, all the way open. Now, what I did notice after I got finished with the fade was when I went on ahead and did the 0 all the way open, got to hit that beard line with the Masters with no guard. What I did was went on ahead and went back and started cleaning that beard up too, so I can make that fade consistent from the top to bottom. Now here we got the 1 guard. We're gonna do the same thing. It's repetition, baby, it's easy. We gonna go closed, halfway open, all the way open. And that fade starting to blend more and more as we move forward, you feel me? It's 2022, baby. We gotta start applying pressure to this barber game. Now here's where the pressure gets applied. We got the 2 guard. This is gonna complete that fade transition right from bald into where the hair starts to get thick. Get in there all the way open. You see what's starting to happen? You see it. You can act like you don't, but you see it. And as you see, I make sure I hit that blend on the beard too, just as I hit that blend on the fade, because we want to make sure that beard blends all the way to the bulk of the bottom like the top does. Now we go hit them with the hot towel facial with the steam. This is where you separate yourself from the rest of the barbers in your shop, neighborhood. Now we gonna start with that line. You see I start right in the middle, center of the head, then I go over to the side that needs the most attention, then I hit the side bars, and then go around and get that seek perfect on that beard as much as we can, man. How I get the ash, a lot of people ask how I get the ash there. What I do is I hit them with the holding spray. After that, we got to hit them with that Tune 45 no drip. Plus the Shine Cuts Hair Enhancement card. Never fails. all coming together. And it's 2022, man. I'm not stopping this year. I'm gonna continue to drop content. I'm gonna continue to apply pressure. I'm gonna continue to silence the haters. Right here in Atlanta, 384 Edgewood Avenue Southeast, Atlanta, Georgia. I'm here daily. Pull up on me. Follow my IG. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on Twitter. @CutsByFatBoy. Also, you know I made the beat.